How to create photos zip file and send in email. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. Okay, just open the folder where you have the all images. Okay, now you can select like this, or you can select by hitting control key, hold it and just click one by one. Okay, or you can simply click control plus A, it will be select all. Okay, now just select all, just right click on it. You can see this option, compress to make it zip, or you can see this option win rara. Go to the add archive and select zip file, it will be, and then click, it will be convert to the zip. Or if you are using the window 11, you can see this option, go to the zip file. The zip file has been done. Now come to the email. Okay, just come to the email, go to the compose. Here you can write your email, write your recipient email ID here. Okay, you need to write here your receiver or recipient email ID. If you have saved in your contact, you can see the suggestion from your Gmail contact. You can select from here, or you can write your own if you are using the new email ID here, like this. Okay, here you need to write the subject, here the body, then thanks and regard. This is your signature. Subject may be images. Okay, now just go to the folder where we have images. Okay guys, so this is my folder where we have the images, some images here. Now you can select all by clicking control plus A, or you can simply select like this, right click on it and go to the compress to zip file. Okay, if you're using 11, window 11, you can see this option. If you don't, here you can see this option win rara. You can add go to the add archive and go to the zip file and just click on OK. Then zip file will be create, or you can simply select all, right click on it and go to the compress to and click on zip file. Okay, so this zip file has been created. Now come to the email. Here I am on the email. Okay, I just maximize that new image, new message window. You can maximize from here and minimize from here. Okay, now go to the attach, select that folder where we have that images. Okay, so in my case I have the images under this this folder. So here we have created that. Now just select that and just open it. Now it will be open attach as a zip file. Okay, but if you have large file of your photos and you want to send via email by creating zip file, so you can also use that Google Drive. Okay, under the Google Drive you can upload that zip file. Okay, it will be uploaded in Google Drive. Okay, and it will be attached here like this. You need to keep the cursor where you want to attach. Go to the Google Drive, select that folder and just you can add as a attachment, add as a link. Okay, so if you have large folder, you can add as a link, so people can click on the link and it will be open in Google Drive only, or you can add as a attachment. So it will be add as a attachment or as a original file and you can send it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.